Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete X post. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open up your X mobile app. Tap on your profile picture. Then tap on your profile to open up your profile page. Find the post and tap on three vertical dots. Then tap on delete post. And if you are sure, tap delete once again. And this is how you can delete your X post. Thank you for watching the online help guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.